This video goes through how we kind of get onto a new page when the submit button, all the validation is correct, and you just want to present a little, oh, thanks for your feedback. So I have this created. I'll do it in another video in a moment, but basically I just copied the page and I put this text in the bottom of it. Thanks for your feedback, blah, blah, blah. But what we've got to do this in our JavaScript page to move to the new page is right at the bottom here. So you'll remember that when you go insert record and when you get your result back from your validation, and hopefully it'll be true, if it's true, you want to go in and submit all the data. And you also, at the bottom, staying inside that nested if, you want to move to feedback submission page. So I'm going to use what's known as the window.location object. Now we're going to investigate this as well in the video because I want to see this works for me, but we might want to be a bit more secure and use a .assign method onto it as well. But look, let's see if it works, and if it works, it works. So I need to create this page in the next video. We're going to focus on that in the next video. I a bit like a magician here. I do have it ready already, but we will do that in the next video. So if we go here now and just have a quick look at window.location, the window.location object can be used to get the current page address and to redirect the browser to a new page. So it can be used to do two things. I'm, as you can see in the last video, redirecting the browser to a new page, which was the feedback submission page, so for short. So this window.location object can be written without the window prefix even, but I like using it to specify. So some examples here, again, check them out in your own time. Returns the URL of the current page there, .href, appended to it. Or the .assign loads a new document. So we might just investigate that a bit more in a moment when we have a go at the first one there. So you can see down here in the bottom, Windows location assign method loads a new document, and that might be safer for us to use assign there, but we'll see. We'll have a go at both. So this is what I have at the moment, Windows.location, and I have that command. So let's see that working. Let's put in some correct details here. Go to our contact us page, Jim Tig, and jtig1 at iol.ie. Jim is a male, or no, I'd rather not say. His country is Japan, and again, if I selected that wrong there, and Jim had a problem with his security camera issue. And maybe Jim goes into a big rant there and he starts writing loads more stuff afterwards. I bought this off you a few months ago, I don't know. So you may want to put a max length on this as well, you know, in your text box, or somebody might submit like 1,000 characters or something. So we might do that in the next video. But submit there now. Submit clicked because all the data appears to be correct. And this time now, bizarrely, we've not gone to a new page. Oh, we did. So we did there. It moved eventually. Took a little while there maybe for the browser to kick in. So thank you for your feedback. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. And we can click here to go back to home page, or we still got our menu there, whichever way you want to do it. Of course, you'll be styling your page maybe a little bit better than that. Now, let's also just check the .assign here. So I'll just comment this out, and we can decide which one we want to use in. Because the .assign is coming up, I might actually use that because, you know, I just picked this one up from .assign here, and you need to enclose this in inside the brackets there to go to it. And let's just double check again. Yeah, and it doesn't even seem to need the semicolon there, but I suppose I'm going to use it anyway. So run that, refresh it, refresh my page. I'll go to contact us, will refresh it automatically. So and quick look at Firebase there also. Make sure look at this kind of data we got through. There was Jim Tig, security camera issue. There was Jack Reacher, all going all right. You know, I'll get rid of that. Just clear it up. Put in there Paula Radcliffe, and she was Radcliffe P1 or P2 or something at yahoo.co.uk. Select country, Ukraine, Paul is from, and she had a problem with her leak detector not working. So submit clicked, and hopefully we'll redirect to a new page now in a second using the data sign, and we did. So look, I mean, it seems to me there you've got a choice on whatever way you want to do it. You could do the first one, or maybe this is be a bit safer here. Of course, we have to create our feedback page in the next video, and see you then for that.